Hi.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
So Kuldeep is the founder of Urban Vyapari, and Kuldeep, I'll let you tell us what is this company about and what problem are you solving?
So the company's name is Urban Vyapari. As the name suggests, we are urbanizing the traditional Vyaparis. Our target market is small and medium businesses into retail and restaurant. So we are basically making an ecosystem around retail and restaurant segment. And the ecosystem is, so we have three type of hardwares. One is this is UV Blaze, this is UV Elevate, and this is UV Classic.
Okay.
As you can see, let's talk about hardware first. It has 2D scanner, it has printer, it has 2 SIM cards, battery and expandable memory, and you don't have to buy hardware, software and payment separately if you are associating with Urban Vyapari. This is our hardware, then this is the retail software where you can do billing, inventory management, purchasing, taking account of your customers, their credit history and all these things. And when it comes to payments also, we are the PSPs as well, payment service providers. So you can directly take payment through our machine. So let's see one user journey, or you can say merchant journey. They can go to sales, then they can add product. They can add product through their scanner, as well as they can add product through the manually from the list. So let's say this is the product. Now they can add the on-fly discount as well. So if you go to tier 2, tier 3 cities, the retailers or the small businesses owners, they are not that educated. So we have given them 2 options. They can put percentage and amount, both of the type of. So if they want to put percentage discount or amount discount, they can apply. But if they don't want, that's fine. They can put
and
customer.
How many retailers are currently using this?
So we have currently doing. So we are in the business from last 6 months only. So we have closed 2 big projects. One project we have closed in Rajasthan of Gram Panchayat Smart Stores. It is a big project of 12,000 stores. And one project we have closed in Gurgaon by the name Biru Bazaar. And they are coming up with 300 small kirana stores of 100-200 square feet. And they are using it.
Are you revenue generating right now?
Yes, we are generating revenue. We are, you can say, net margin positive as well. We are funded by government through Jinsar. They are our incubators in Bangalore. Our head office is in Gurgaon, but we have an office in Bangalore as well.
And how big is the team?
So we have more than 20 people right now working for us in the various offices in Gurgaon, in Bangalore, and Jaipur, and Kolkata. As well, we have regional offices.
Right. And your competitor would be someone like a Pine Labs?
No, Pine Lab is only providing payments. They are only providing POS that is associated to payments. We are not just providing the payments, we are providing them the retail and restaurant softwares as well, through which they can do inventory management, they can do billing, they can do kitchen order ticket, table management, waiters application, delivery application, that's why I've used the term ecosystem.
Right.
All the ecosystem we have built around them.
Great. Who are your competitors right now?
So our competition is not direct.
Bits and pieces में
Bits and pieces में है. We have payment provider as the competition. We have some billing software like in restaurant you can say Paid Puja is one of the competitor. Lime Tray is one of the competitor. In hardware we have Possiflex, we have TVS, like that. So there are competitors, but they are in different domains.
Small pockets.
Yeah. कोई hardware में है, कोई software में है, कोई payments में है. We have built an ecosystem.
Great. I think that's great. We'd love to understand how is Mahakumbh happening for you.
Amazing. We have got a really great traction. So we didn't expect that. We got only 100 business cards each. All went away just within 2-3 hours. So now we gauged how big is the event, and thanks to the government.
So before tomorrow, you need a printing place.
Yeah, we need a printing place for standee as well as for the business cards as well.
No, very nice talking to you.
Thank you so much, Pooja. Thank you.